Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about how to change user level criteria. And user level criteria are going to be the criteria that are controlled by you on your user dashboard. So here you can see I'm logged in as a standard client user, in this case, Dwight, the operations manager. And what I want to do is I'm very interested in this actual settlements. I would like to keep track of how many settlements happened over a certain period of time. But I want to click here and see the applied criteria. In this case, you can see it's actually, we've got a date range of January 1st of 2019 all the way to the end of the year for this particular Resware demo office. But that's not going to be suitable for me. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to track actual settlements every week instead of over some set period of time. So here's how you do that. You're going to go here to the maximize button, and you're going to do this process whether it's a count widget like this or whether it's something like a visualization down here. Basically any type of widget or visualization on your dashboard, you're going to go here and click the maximize button. That's going to pop up a modal window, and give it just a moment here. It's going to run. It's going to come up with that same 66 number. It's going to show you the applied criteria. So what we'll be doing here is changing that applied criteria, and we're going to be changing it on the user level, just applicable to you. So this is not going to affect anyone else. This is only going to change the criteria that are applied to this report only when you log in and your dashboard loads, or when you refresh this dashboard. This report. So I'm going to come over here to the criteria tab. And here you can see that we have an actual custom date range locked in. I'm going to change that. I want to say that I care about actual settlements this week. So instead I'm going to lock in this week, a dynamic date range. I'm going to click lock in criteria. So right now we can see that it's going to show any settlements that have happened this week for, in this case, the Resware office is equal to demo office. And I can choose two things. I can choose to temporarily view this by clicking the execute report with selected criteria option, or I can make this permanent so that next time I log in or next time I refresh my dashboard, it's going to apply a date range of this week. In this case, I'd like to make this permanent. So I'm going to go ahead and click set selected criteria as default lock-in values. And it's going to give me a confirmation screen that says yes. Just click continue. Then you can come over here, click actual settlements, or you can close the modal window. Here I'm doing this for demonstration purposes. So it's going to show 0 because this is a demo account and we haven't added any dummy data for this particular week. But you can see it applied a date range of this week, and of course the demo office, Resware office. So if I close this, notice it's going to show 0 here. Next time I reload the dashboard, you're going to see everything reload. And since we have changed the user level, the dashboard, your particular dashboard level criteria, when this loads here, it's going to show 0 because it's going to be looking at a date range of this week instead of that set date range that we had locked in earlier. So as you can see, 0, and we can confirm that by clicking on view criteria here. And it shows this week. So that's all there is to it. Any kind of criteria that you'd like, you can go in there, maximize, and you can maximize, change anything. As you can see, there was a lot of other criteria that could be changed or applied, but it's do whatever suits you. And so that combined with customizing your dashboard and where you'd like things to be can make Ops Insights very personalizable to whatever you'd like to see and how you'd like to see it. Thanks for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to us at support@opsinsights.com. You can always come up here and click the Need Help button, and that's going to give you the information of your client administrator. It's going to let you know if you've got a question. You can submit a report about a particular report. You can submit a request, or you can contact us at either support@processfast.com or support@opsinsights.com. And if you'd like to give us a call, here's the number, extension 2 for support. Hope this answers your questions, and thanks for being an Ops Insights client.